If you're a teenager looking to make some extra cash, you're in the right place. Whether you're saving up for something special or just want some extra spending money, these side hustles are perfect for teens. So let's dive right in. First up, we have reselling online. If you enjoy thrifting or finding hidden gems, reselling could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can start by selling your own unused items or hunt for items at garage sales or thrift stores to flip for a profit. Platforms like eBay, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace are great places to sell clothes, vintage items, and even electronics. The key is to find products that are in demand, take quality photos, and write good descriptions. It's a fun way to earn money, and it can be quite profitable once you get the hang of it. Next up, freelance graphic design. If you're creative and have a knack for design, you can turn that skill into cash. You can use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer your services. Whether it's designing logos, creating social media posts, or making custom art, there's always demand for good design work. You can build a portfolio, improve your skills, and even turn this into a long-term gig. The best part? You can work from anywhere, and once you get the hang of it, you can take on multiple clients. The third side hustle is online tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject like math, science, or English, this could be a great way to earn money while helping others. There are plenty of online platforms like Wizen or Tutor.com where you can sign up to become a tutor. Even if you're not an expert, helping younger kids with their homework can still be valuable. Plus, tutoring helps reinforce your own knowledge, which is a win-win. Set your own rates and schedule, and you're good to go. Next up, we have lawn care and gardening services. This is a classic teen side hustle that's still going strong. Many homeowners are more than willing to pay someone to mow their lawn, rake leaves, or trim hedges, especially during the summer months. You can start by asking neighbors or advertising your services on local Facebook groups. It's physical work, but it's a great way to stay active and earn money, all while being outdoors. Number 5 is social media management. If you're always on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, why not get paid to manage accounts for local businesses or influencers? Many small businesses want to have an online presence, but don't know how to handle their social media effectively. That's where you come in. You can help them create content, schedule posts, engage with followers, and track performance. This is a growing field and can be a great way to learn valuable marketing skills that could lead to bigger opportunities down the road. And there you have it, our top 5 best side hustles for teenagers. Whether you're tutoring online, designing logos, mowing lawns, managing social media, or flipping items for a profit, there's a side hustle out there that's perfect for you. Not only will these side gigs help you earn some extra cash, but they'll also teach you valuable skills like time management, communication, and entrepreneurship that can benefit you in the long run. So what do you think? Are you ready to start your own side hustle? Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited about, or if you have any other ideas. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.